When intelligence is no longer human, the question isn't what's next. It's this: how human are you? AI doesn't doubt itself. It doesn't wrestle at 2 a.m. It doesn't bleed. It doesn't break. It doesn't wonder why. It simply executes. So if intelligence is no longer ours alone, what remains? Machines can replicate analysis. They can match speed. They can scale optimization. But they cannot replicate your intuition under uncertainty, your empathy in conflict, or courage under pressure. Leadership is no longer about knowing more, it's about being more. AI will outthink you, it will outpace you. It may even outperform you on paper, but it will never replace your presence, your soul, your humanity. So hear me clearly. The only thing that can save humans from the machine, if anything can, is the one thing no algorithm will ever hold: your humanity. So I'll ask again, not tomorrow, not later, now. How human are you?